Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Recently, I encountered a problem where I installed a new piece of hardware, my DVB card. I face a new problem. I hear sound, ding ding, something like this. And when I create a new folder, type 0 in it. When I make a text document, it type 0 in its name. Or when I wanna type excuse me, type thinking, it types something like this. Something like that. Then I searched the internet and found solution. Yes, they say to me that if you go to control panel and device manager, and go keyboard sub branch, and if you see two software driver of keyboard, then you wanna delete one of them. I did this and fixed my problem, but a while later I heard the sound again, ding ding, and some same problems like zeros and thinking or anything else. It inserts zeros again. Then I decided to change its installed PCI. That's it. For example, my motherboard had two of them, okay, and my DV card was installed in one of them. For example, this I changed it to this. I installed my DV card in this slot, and then problem gone. Yes, it fixed. I make this video for you if you encounter this problem, hear ding ding sounds or typing zeros. You can try my method. Thanks for watching.